Make your listing stand out and increase your sales with enhanced brand content. Let's go over what it looks like and how to implement. So you can see if you type in Coca-Cola on Walmart, you can actually do this right now. Type in Coca-Cola, go to Walmart, scroll down, and you can see more about the brand. And this is going to be your new enhanced brand content, also called A+ content. So you can put images in your description. You can actually put videos, slideshows. You can put so much more. Just Coca-Cola isn't doing it right now, but there's a lot of potential, right? So that's an example. Another example, here's Diet Coke, and they might change it around, right? But what you're going to do is go to Optimaise.ai, right? So right there, Optimaise.ai, and you can sign up for a free trial. And when you sign up, you're going to connect your catalog to Optimise, right? You'll see your catalog, go to catalog, click on one of your items, and you're going to see this button right here that says enhance brand content. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to take you all the way down here where if there's enhanced brand content already on Amazon, you can take it from Amazon and import it and then click publish, and then it's automatically going to upload. Or you can create it from scratch. So you can click create right here, create it from scratch. Once it's created, then you're going to click publish, and then within 4 hours, it's automatically going to show up on Walmart.com. Now, this is free for, I believe, 10 listings. So you might as well just have it. It is going to increase sales. It is going to increase credibility. Not an insane increase, but every little thing counts on Walmart to show the customer that you are legitimate. So here's an example of you creating videos, header with content, columns, launchpad company logo. So there's a lot of different things you can do. You can also utilize AI to help you create the A+ content. So it's a no-brainer for me. It should be a no-brainer for you. But that is the step-by-step on how to create your Walmart A+ content in minutes. And if you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you need any help with increasing sales, implementing A+ content, creating it, we specialize in everything Walmart. We've got designers, SEO, even sales experts that are going to help you generate more sales on Walmart. Just contact us. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.